welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since my last upload, so I'm gonna thank y'all so much for all your love and support with a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned. However, you also might want to stay tuned because I have so much good stuff to show. I can't tell you guys enough. I have gone to Target pretty much once a week for the past 6 months or so just to see what's up, and I haven't really made any like huge purchases in there until last week. I just bought so much stuff, so much of their new spring stuff, and then just so much stuff like overall that I'm so excited about. So I was like, I need to make a whole video dedicated to a Target haul. I used to do these quite a lot. We have a mix of clothing and workout wear, and which is clothing, and makeup, and like some random other just body products, random things that I wanted to show you guys today. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and keep watching. I don't even know what I want to start with. The first thing I'll start with is kind of random, and I'm really excited about them, but it is these storage bins. So back when I redid my little makeup area in my bathroom and went through this whole organizational process, I showed you guys some little organizational bins that I got for my makeup, so you can go watch that video if you want to. But these are a little bit different. These are so pretty. I love how they're like that, you can't see through them, plastic look, and I got these because I am going to be moving soon, hopefully, and I wanted to get these to just organize my random stuff. Also, in like where I'm living now in my mom's house, I need these to organize more of my bathroom space. So I got this size. All of these were like under $7. The big one that I got was $7. I think the rest were like $3, $4, maybe $5. This is the big one I got. It's $7. I got this because I thought it would be perfect to hold like my curling irons and straighteners and hair dryers and stuff. And then I got two of these like medium-sized ones. I want to say these were like $3, $4, or $5. I can't remember exactly, but I thought these would be perfect to hold like medicine. So one of these be like medicines and the others be like just like a first aid kit, you know, just all of those kind of essentials like band-aids, all that good stuff. Then I got one that is this size. I don't know exactly what to put in here. Maybe like some feminine products that you just want to keep in a spot, or even my contacts, something like that. And then same thing for this one. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use these two for. I actually got two of these. The other one is holding some more stuff I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So I just got all of these, and I thought they were just so fun, and I love the look of them because I've talked about how I want to kind of design my new apartment. Make sure to subscribe too, because apartment hauls, decorating, moving videos are hopefully going to be coming soon. So you'll get to see the whole process, but I want to kind of go with just like a clean, grown, adult, feminine, chic, modern look for my apartment. I know that's a lot, but I want it to everything to just be like clean and organized and just very simple, but also fabulous. So we'll see. I don't know how those little bins tie into that, but we'll see how it turns out. Okay, next I want to show you guys two dresses that I got. These are from the brand Wild Fable, and I used to like hate all the Wild Fable stuff, but now sometimes it depends. Some of their stuff they come out with is super duper cute, and so I wanted to show you guys these two dresses I got. So they are these really cute little floral dresses. This is the first one. It's like black with all the flowers on it. Got it in a large, and then it's also got this little tie thing under the chest, so it's very flattering, and it's kind of like tight under your chest, so it kind of cinches together at the waist. I thought would be cute for spring. And then I also got this one as well, which is a little bit brighter. If you know me, I don't wear bright colors. Y'all have seen me in this t-shirt like a billion times. I thought this one was super duper cute. I just love the way it like is flattering, and it kind of just pulls everything together. So I really thought it was adorable. So we love that. These were $25 a piece, which I thought was really good. Okay, next up I'm going to show you something that's one of the favorite things I'm going to show in this whole video. I was so excited when I found these, and first off, let me preface by saying I typically hate working out in shorts. I have been working out a lot, working on my leg muscles, but Nike shorts, sometimes I hate the way that they're so tight around the thighs, like they'll fit in the waist. I just have really thick thighs. No matter what shape I'm in, no matter what age I've been, I've always had thicker thighs than anything else, and I hate the feeling of shorts like gripping on your thighs when you're working out. It is my least favorite feeling ever, and I've never owned anything from like Lululemon or any of those brands. But these shorts, I don't know what those feel like, but I feel like these are like a top runner maybe. So these are running shorts from the All in Motion brand, and I love them. So I got them in a large, like on the thigh area is kind of like big, you know, like I have like a lot of space when I wear them. They do have a cute little pocket on the back, and they kind of like flow out, like they fit in the waist. They're honestly still kind of like a little big, and then they flow out, and I typically do just wear a large and everything in Target. I love that they have pockets, and they just are super flattering and form-fitting but not too tight, and they're kind of like loosey-goosey. And these were also $25, which I thought was a really good price. I got the same shorts but in navy blue, and I really do love them. I haven't worn these to the gym yet, but I've worn these around my bedroom to see if I really love them. But once it warms up, I will be wearing these all the time. Another pair of shorts I got, I actually have a pair kind of like this already, but these are some biker shorts, and these are also from the brand All in Motion. Now the pair that I already have are a long pair, like to the knee bike shorts, and I wear them like at least once a week. These are a little bit shorter, so these are a high-rise bike short. These were $20, so you can see they have nice pockets, and I just love the way that they fit. Are these my favorite bike shorts that I own or that I've ever worn? No, but they're so affordable, and bike shorts right now are just so hard to find, especially for affordable prices. And these are just those good solid black bike shorts that aren't overly like don't have too many, what do you call them, logos on them. So I really like that. But next I want to show you something else that I really love from Target, and that is their sports bras. I will say a lot of their sports bras I feel like run maybe on the smaller side, only because I've only really ever owned sports bras from Pink, Victoria's Secret, or Target, if I'm being honest. But I do love their sports bras. I wear a large in all of my sports bras, and they do fit fine. They are very secure, so when you're running and everything, you're doing HIIT workouts, it's very good on your body. So this is the first sports bra. It's just this cute little crossback. I have been wearing this to the gym quite a bit lately, and I love it. So I will put the price down below, or actually I'll have all this linked down below so you can go check it out as well. The next sports bra, this one, I actually really love this one. It's a little bit more supportive. I typically like to go for an all black sports bra just so you can't see anything, but I love the little mesh detail. Also it's a little crisscross and then clasp in the back, and this one's just super comfortable and very, very supportive. I love that one. And then the last one we have, I Love Sadai, or Karen. She posted this on her Instagram story of her wearing it and how she loves their sports bra. So I was like, I gotta go get that. It's so cute on her. And so I like to wear this one with a zip up jacket. It looks kind of small, but it does stretch out quite a bit. It is not padded. The other two are padded, and I love how it has like this mesh high neck detail. I just thought it was really, really cute, and we love that. Okay, next we're going to talk about some t-shirts that I got, and these are from also the brand All in Motion, and I love their All in Motion plain workout t-shirts. I love how they don't have a lot of logos on them. They're not super busy. They are just that standard workout t-shirt that you can wear with any color leggings, and I love how they have such a wide variety of colors. I get these in an extra large. I do have some others that are like a little bit different material and a scoop neck that I got last year. I've already showed on this channel before. I get my t-shirts in an extra large because I've talked about this before. I don't like working out in tight clothing. I like to feel loose. Like I like to feel like I can move around and be comfortable. So these are in an extra large, and they are super comfortable. It's like very loose and not too tight, but it is like that dry wick, whatever you call it, moisture wicking material. It says it's also odor resistant, and it is quick dry, so we love that. So this is the first color I got. It's just the super pretty light blue. The only logo on it is on the back, and it's like in the same color as the blue. I don't even know if y'all can see it. It's on like the back left corner, and it's just so pretty. And so yeah, and I got this same exact t-shirt but in this like springy green. I thought it was so pretty. Actually this one's a scoop neck, so they did have like a different combination, like some are v-necks, some were scoop necks. I think the first one I just showed y'all was a v-neck. So I just love how it just like fits, and it's not like super clingy to the body. It's super soft, so comfortable, and if you want it to be more form-fitting, obviously like size either to your true size or size down, because I feel like they are meant to be a true size top, but I just like to get them a little bit bigger. And then the last top I got, actually this is the same material. I don't know why I said it wasn't. This is that scoop neck as well, but this is like a mauve berry light pink kind of top. I just thought this was a really pretty color, and I like to work out in these kind of tops every single day. I'm a very plain person, so the best part about those tops were they were only $12, which is so cheap. Most tops, if you get from other retailers, you know, are like $50 to $60 for some of those workout tops that feel just like that. So I really love that Target offers like such a cheap option for like basic tees. Another set of tops that I got, I'm so excited about. These are not specifically workout tops. These are from the brand A New Day, and these were only $10. Like I said, I love working out in loose basic t-shirts, tank tops, long sleeves, whatever. I just like it to be just a basic, plain, and comfortable. So I got these two tops. This is in a extra large as well. It is this loose, it's not cropped, but it's not long either. Yellow top, it's got a pocket, and obviously I can wear this to other places too. I can wear this with jeans if I want and dress it up. But I got these specifically to work out in because I just thought they were so soft and comfortable. I think I just said it, but they are by the brand A New Day. I'm doing that thing where I talk way too fast and get myself out of breath, but I just love this top, and it's so springy. You know, March is coming, April's coming, and this shirt reminds me of those months as well. So I really love the color yellow. Yellow doesn't look that great on me, but I love it. And then also I got this a purple one. It's the same exact shirt, just purple. So soft, so comfortable, and these do fit like way bigger. So normally I would get like a large, or even if I wanted it to be like fitted, a medium, but these are like looser fitting t-shirts, which I love that. Another thing I got from Wild Fable was this basic baseball hat. So this is just a light pink plain baseball hat. I also wear hats every single day. I will wear pretty much like a black or a navy blue hat every day, but I bought this pink one if I wanted to just, you know, be cute in the gym, and wear it with just, you know, any of those outfits, honestly, because I'm just gonna look like a little Easter egg or something. I'll go ahead and show you these. I restocked on my scrunchies by the brand Scoonchy. I always thought this said scrunchy, not Scoonchy. And so these are just some original scrunchies. I like to work out in these as well. I act like I work out all the time. I really don't. I just like to about workout stuff. And then also I got this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. I got this actually a couple weeks ago, but I really like it. This is kind of dark for me. I think it's in the shade deep brown. Yeah, I do like to go a little bit darker with my brows, but I really do love this brow gel. It's so good. Next, this is also one of the things that I'm most excited to talk about throughout this whole video, if possibly not the most excited I am to talk about anything. Did that make sense? I don't know. I've been trying to get my hands on this stuff for months. If you've followed my channel, you know. I have gone through a phase where I'm just not obsessed, but I'm really into teeth whitening. I go through this like once a year, and this went viral on TikTok like a year ago. It's been out of stock online, at Target, everywhere since like probably June, and they finally restocked it a couple weeks ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get it. So this is the Arc After Brushing Whitening Booster. So what you do, you brush your teeth as normal with your toothpaste, and then you use this stuff and brush it for 1 minute just on your toothbrush, and that is all. I do it twice a day, and I have seen some really good results. Also, I got this. So that was only $8 for that booster. It really does work. I don't know if y'all can tell. I mean, I feel like when you're looking at yourself every day, you can tell, but maybe it's harder for other people to tell, but I've noticed such a difference, especially with me drinking coffee every day. Also, I got this Arc Teeth Whitening Pen Precision Applicator. So this, you just crank this a couple times and basically like paint this on the teeth you want to whiten, and you whiten, that's when it's so late, not country, whiten, and you leave it on there. You're supposed to leave it on there for an hour, but typically I'll just brush it on there before I go to bed and sleep with it because it doesn't burn your teeth, it doesn't hurt, my teeth are not sensitive because of any of this. And I used to use these like harsh gels. I honestly still love those gels because they obviously work, but I noticed results within like a week of using these things, and this one is $20, but I love them both. So I don't know which one is working the most because I've been using both, but I've been trying to use this one like every other day since it is a little bit more expensive. But I actually went ahead and bought another whitening booster because I already have one like I'm using currently, and that was the new one that I bought because I was like, I'm definitely gonna run out eventually, so I want to be stocked up in case it goes viral again. Along with that, I got some new toothpaste, and this is the toothpaste I've been using for a while. It's the Crest 3D White Stain Eraser Fresh Mint. So it says it cleans everyday stains for a whiter smile. Remove coffee stains, tea stains, soda stains, and wine stains, which mainly I just need this for the coffee stains, and really just overall stains. I don't know, I just really wanted to whiten my teeth, so that's what I've been trying to do. This next thing, a makeup product. I'm so excited to try this, and I've been dying to open all of this. This has all been sitting in my room for like 2 weeks now. This is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, and this is in the shade Fair 150C with cool peach undertones. I don't know why I felt obligated to tell you that, but this stuff is also going crazy on TikTok right now. Everyone says they love it. I'm super excited to use it because I don't know if I've ever used a CC cream. I've used BB creams, so I love the Maybelline BB Fresh cream. I use that all the time. That's like my go-to every day. But everyone seems to love this Camo CC cream, and I really love the Camo concealer from e.l.f. So we'll see. I honestly should have talked about these in the beginning because I'm so excited. So I just talked about my new apartment aesthetic that I want to have, like a clean, chic look. And I love the look of like acrylic stuff, glass stuff, clear stuff. I've talked about this before. I love the look of like a mirrored wall, acrylic, like everything. I found these brushes and I thought they were so pretty. They almost look like diamonds to me. Obviously they don't cost as much as diamonds, but these are from Conair and it is the basic edition. So these are, I don't know if it's like a new sub brand under Conair, but I thought they were so pretty. I couldn't decide on just one. I think they had 4 to choose from. They had 2 other, another round one and like a square one maybe. They have these like acrylic diamond looking bottoms and I thought these would be so pretty. I just have visions of like whenever I move because I'm so excited to get my own apartment, and I thought these would just be so pretty on the counter. And also beyond that, I have not gotten a new hairbrush since 2019, so if that tells you anything, I just really needed a new hairbrush and I happened to see these and they felt like they would really do well on my thick hair. Okay guys, I've had this for about a month now and I'm obsessed with it. I use this pretty much like maybe twice a week. I do it before I shave my legs. This is the Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Body Scrub. It is the Exfoliate and Renew with Lavender. This is a new thing. It smells so good. It literally smells like lavender, like a spa. It's so good at exfoliating your skin. I do it on my legs, my arms, sometimes like my chest and shoulder area. I just love the way it makes me feel. I feel so clean after. Next thing I got was this e.l.f. Camo sponge, Camo concealer sponge. I'm really excited to use this because I have this already and mine is like dyed pink because I used it with some liquid blush, and I've been using it for like months and months, probably like 6 months now. I think I got it last summer and it's about time to get a new one. This was only $5, I believe, maybe $6, and I love the sponge. It's like so soft. It feels like a marshmallow, honestly. So that was all that was in this other bin that I got. You can see it perfectly like fits my hairbrushes, so that might be what that's used for. Last thing that I got to show you guys was this planner. This is a dry erase board planner. I got this actually in January, but I wanted to go ahead and show y'all. It came with these dry erase markers. It came with a turquoise one and a black one as well, and I've been using this every day. This is how I keep track of working out. I've mentioned working out. I'm not a fitness person, like fitness guru, but I've mentioned that like so many times on this video because I really am trying to become better at it. So this is like what I use every day when I get home from the gym. If I work out, I do a green dot, and if I don't work out, I do a black X. And so the pink is what I use for the numbers, and then the turquoise stars are what I put for the days that I upload a YouTube video. So you can see I've not uploaded a YouTube video in almost 2 weeks, so we need to get on that. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see more of these. I can definitely do more. Sorry my clip has like been falling out of my hair. Sorry if my hair has been bad this whole time. These also came from Target too. I love them. My hair is just so long and thick that it's hard to hold up in a clip, so if you have recommendations on good claw clips that will hold thick long hair, let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so thankful for all of you, and the giveaway for today is a $50 Target gift card. I am going to virtually send you the gift card. It's going to be $50. This giveaway will be open for, I think I'm going to leave it open for a week, and I will post the giveaway winner either in a video or on my Instagram story. So from the feedback I've gotten, you guys like to see who wins the giveaways, so I want to let y'all know like I do give away the stuff. So I will be announcing the giveaway winner. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one, and thank you again. Have a great day. Bye guys.